dragons. Winged dragon. So this just takes the baby dragon a stage further. As you can see, instead of the left foot in this particular pose being in Tadasana, we allow the knee to fall out to the side, which opens up the adductors and the hips a lot more, in particular now on the left thigh. It's just a variation. The only props you may want to consider in this is similar to the other poses, the other dragons, and that is any blocks or bolsters for support on the arms, on the forearms. And that again will largely depend on your flexibility and the length of your arms and your legs. Winged dragon opens up the hips a lot more in a different way. So just show you how to get into the winged dragon. We start off from a basic quadruped, sometimes called 4-point kneeling or tabletop. Bring one leg forward. And slide the other leg back. For this version, the hands are on the inside of the feet. Almost like a baby, we're basically in a baby dragon. So we want to curve in that spine. And then, so go to a baby dragon, keep the leg normal, Tanya, that's it. So we're trying to sink down on our forearms if we can. And then allow that left knee to sink out to the side, to open up the adductors, to open up in particular that left hip. So the knee just literally wings out to the side. And obviously you'd repeat that on the other side. Winged dragon. Focusing on outer rotation of the front hip. Targets the outer portion of the hip socket, thus providing a very deep stretch for increased flexibility and mobility. Winged dragon.